second one is right below here, okay? Oh, right there. So you have 1, 2. So you're gonna have your 12 millimeter. It's gonna be a pain to kind of loosen this sometimes. So if you have something long, like a breaker bar, it'll be easier. When you're loosening it, you're gonna turn this way, because that's left. So it's gonna look like you're turning clockwise from this point of view. You know, you're not gonna think lefty-loosey. This is actually tightening it. So don't go that way. Because I did that one time and I broke the bolt off in there and it was a pain. There's one. Okay, there you go. Once you take out those 2 screws, this should just open up like a clamshell. There you go. Just open up like that. Okay, there, and then it'll come loose. Now, if you have a brake caliper holder, you can hang it up here, or if not, just try to rest it, but don't move the brake line too much because you're gonna mess something up. You know, stuck in there pretty good, you just have to kind of pull it out. Here's the back one. I almost touched my makeshift brake caliper holder. And as you can see, here's the new brakes compared to the old ones. There. See, I think it's this way. So just put your new ones back in like this. As long as it stays on mother. Sideways and like get it in there. There's one. You can do the same thing for the other side. So they're both successfully on there. They look like this. You can get this at Walmart for like $5. This is kind of not the best thing from my experience, so I don't know. This one might be going out, but it's like $5 at Walmart. So this goes like this, and the more you twist, the more it's gonna push this out, and it's gonna push that little ring back. This is what it looks like when it's fully pushed back. So you're gonna get the one on the right to look like this, the one on the left. So do the same thing until it's all the way flat. That way this caliper can fit back over on the brakes. Okay, now that they're both flat, you can try to fit it back over your brake. If it doesn't fit, I'm going to scream. Okay, so it did fit. Before you put these screws back on, most of the brakes that you buy, they'll come with this. This is just a replacement for this little squishy thing right here that you can put on. So you have like new little clips, you'll have new of these on there. You're gonna put these screws back in. Let's see, the other one is. Can't see, there you go. You're just gonna get it snug. And you're just gonna put the wheel back on, put the lug nuts back on. I might not be able to record that because I have no storage, because this is an iPhone, but just put those on, and yeah. Go ahead and put the lug nuts on, but don't tighten them like full force because you don't want to shake the car. You just tighten them by hand. Then once you lower the car, you can tighten them with your tire iron or impact wrench. That's it. Your brakes are done.